everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're trying to create the perfect ambience, definitely check these bulbs out. These Smart Wi-Fi LED by Philips bulbs are super unique. You can have a variety of lighting, creating your own beautiful ambience. Right here I have the night light, then I go up to the relax one and daylight. I love how versatile it is, and I also appreciate that you can either control it with an app or you can control it by voice. This has so many benefits because many times I walk away from home and the light's on, and it gives me such a peace of mind knowing that I can control it with my app and turn it off. I can also turn it on whenever I'm coming late at night just to make sure there's some light. The instructions are super easy and clear. I've been loving these. I love how versatile these bulbs are by providing different lighting. I would highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.